Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you absolutely need to keep sensitive equipment powered, then an inverter or standby generator, which produces clean power, is the solution. If you need help sizing your portable generator, use our generator wattage calculator to figure out your power needs.
Take our lead.
Whole house, starting at about 12,000 watts, these generators can generally keep a home running without missing a beat. You'll be able to run lights, fans, TVs, refrigerators, computers, space heaters and pretty much anything else you plug into an outlet. 14 January 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.